Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily delete all-time search history of your YouTube account. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the YouTube app on your phone and you can follow the exact same steps if you're on an Android or an iPhone as well. And first of all, you'll have to tap on your profile on the bottom right and then tap on that gear icon on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your YouTube account. And then you'll have to tap on manage all history and it will take you to a new page. And right uh, on this page, you'll be able to find this delete button right here that is grayed out right now, right here, and you will have to tap on it and you will have to tap on delete all time history and your history will be deleted. I will show you by searching something because I've just deleted my search history. I'll simply search something and then go back, and then I will like okay, FIFA. I will search for it, and now I'll
Current age.
and then close it and then go back, and then I'll refresh this page, and then I'll go back to the same procedure by going to manage all history, and then right here I'll be able to find the delete option and I'll tap on it and then hit delete all time and then hit delete again on the bottom right, and you can see that activity that you selected is permanently deleted from your account. It means that all time history has been deleted from our YouTube account. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.